it. Did you get any chocolate, Jake?
I did.
Where? You're going to have another? It's in his tummy. Can we have another? Thanks. Huh?
Is it yummy? Another one? No, just one.
Why did Kristen get one?
Oh, yeah!
Can I have one?
Yeah, take one.
Man! Are you sure there's enough? Oh.
No more.
What about Eva? You got a mouth open though. Keep it tiny drop. Okay.
Yummy?
Don't tell Peter.
This from Jane. Yummy, yummy?
Really good.
So yummy. I'm still eating.
What's that?
Belly.
Is it cold?
Can I feel it?
It's cold?
Yeah. Cold. What's in there? What's in there?
Okay. Thank you. Ta.
What's in there?
Ta. I better grab that. Ta.
Ta.
Thank you. And that one.
It's the anchor. Are you taking a video?
Hmm.